Hi everybody, today is Food Pantry Day because Mom and I switched it up a little bit because there's supposed to be a really big yard sale down in Waterville this coming weekend at the mobile food pantry headquarters. A 7-bay garage supposedly filled with yard sale stuff. And their usual yard sale place, they have a 25-cent room, and it's amazing the stuff they put in the 25-cent room. So we are definitely hitting that. So we had to do our food pantry haul early so that we could go to that on Saturday and not be late because the food pantry and the yard sale are in total opposite directions, total opposite towns. So we want to get there early. So here is our food pantry haul for Thursday today. Now, while it is small, the quality of what we got today is awesome. We got some crispy rice cereal, and that's good. I have a few bags of marshmallows stashed away that I didn't know what to do with, so I'll make the kids marshmallow Rice Krispie treats. Look, Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey sausage. Awesome. I love fully cooked, and I love things convenient because then Mommy doesn't have to do all the cooking all the time. We got some beef burgers. Some of those are going to be used for supper tonight. I'm going to take them and float them in some gravy and do, quote, I don't even know what they're called now. Okay. Well, anyway, beef patties and gravy and mashed potatoes. And I have the mashed potatoes all done up in the freezer. The beef patties right there. I'll just cook them up and add some gravy. And there, supper's done. With some vegetables that are coming up too. We got teriyaki beef kebabs. Those look pretty darn yummy. And some white iced ring donuts. And look at this big huge roast. Awesome. And there, another piece of meat to go right along with it. I will put those in the Instapot, shred them up, and have them ready to go. I'm not even going to put them in the freezer. I'm going to put them in the Instapot, get them all cooked up and shredded and ready to go. And then when I want them in the bag over there, they'll be all ready to go for making sandwiches or beef and gravy or what have you, just anything. Soups, stews, tons of stuff you can do with that. But I do it all ready to go and freeze them flat in bags. So it takes up less room in my freezer. We got some cinnamon scones now. I thought those were really going to be dry and yucky. But oh my god, they are so good. They are dense and they are yummy. Ooh, yum. All butter mini cheese croissants. Those look so good. We got some red grapes, black seedless table grapes today. And a whole bag of onions. And they look pretty good, even no black on them today. Woohoo! We got 2 Ensure drinks. As I said, I like those. I may have one today. Today's a fast day. So, remember, 2 days a week, I do under 500 calories. So that'll work. Whole kernel corn. Two things of that. 2 things of mixed vegetables. Soups and stews and all that kind of stuff. Casseroles. They work so good in casseroles. And my kid doesn't complain. Even though I have a kid who hates vegetables, she does not complain. Refried beans. That's something different that we don't normally get. That's awesome. All good peanut butter. My kids have decided they like the all good peanut butter. It's all good. We got some sweet peas. I love sweet peas. Fresh sliced carrots. A penne and a rigatoni. Peas and carrots. Oh my god, I see so many meal preparation ideas in this. We'll show you some of them. I will. Fruit and grain cereal bars. And oats and honey granola bars. A little tiny strawberry cake. Limes and lemons. Some plums that didn't look horrible. The rest of them were you put your hand on them and you squish your fingers right through. Yeah, I'm not about that. But that is my food pantry haul today. It is so awesome and it helps so very much. And the volunteers at our food pantry are just amazing and wonderful and awesome people. They were doing my food pantry box, and one of the ladies realized after she brought it out that the card said fish allergies, so she took the fish back and brought something back out. So awesome, awesome, wonderful people. They are just a godsend. I hope someday to be on the other end and be the one donating to the food pantries instead of bringing it home. So watch a few more videos and let's get me to my goal of doing that, huh? We'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great, super wonderful, fantastic day, and that's it. I forgot what I was going to say. Brain not working today, evidently. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Have a great, wonderful, super fantastic week.